So going back, if I may, to some of my favorite Warren Buffett quotes, and I think there's so much wisdom in the things he says. So the next one I want to give you, and I've written it down here in case you're wondering, how's he memorized all this? Of the billionaires I have known, money just brings out the basic traits in them. If they were jerks before they had money, they're simply jerks with $1 billion. Now, that might make you feel better if you're not one of the billionaires, and it's all certainly been my experience. The ones who were good and open before they were billionaires have tended to be so after my friends, the ones of which have become billionaires thereafter, and the ones which were not so good have remained that way afterwards. I've been fortunate. I've met people who've become billionaires through hard work and industry, and they've remained the same. It hasn't made them worse. Let's look at another quote. The business schools reward difficult, complex behavior more than simple behavior, but simple behavior is more effective. I think there's a hell of a lot to be said for this. We tend to value complexity when actually, and the billionaire Warren Buffett is proof of that, actually getting to the simple things is true. I know from my own investments, having gone through all the complexities, all the difficulties of everything around me, actually, it was just breaking things down into very simple aspects of a business, and that would help it succeed. And that led to success of outperforming most fund managers out there over prolonged periods of time. It was simplifying things that they didn't. Another quote, you do things when the opportunities come along. I've had periods in my life when I've had a bundle of ideas come along and I've had long dry spells. If I get an idea next week, I'll do something. If not, I won't do a damn thing. Now, this is important because, again, a lot of people, they rush into things. They have ideas or bad ideas, or they don't have any good ideas, and therefore they think, oh, I'll just do anything that comes along. And guess what? The devil makes work for idle hands. You sit around and people get the impression you don't know what to do, but you've got a bunch of skills. They'll start giving you things which you don't want to do, and you think, oh, I haven't got anything else coming along that's better. I'll just do it. No, it is far better to sit on your hands. When I wrote my first book, Mind of a Trader, it's over my shoulder over there. Bill Lipschutz, the former global head of foreign exchange trading at Salomon Brothers, so basically the largest FX trader in the world, because Salomons were the biggest Forex trader and Warren Buffett was his chairman, said to me, if people would only learn to sit on their hands half the time, they would make a lot more money. There's a lot to be said for it. I hope you found this useful. Thank you.